Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 166 Cliffside Drive in Bristol Harbor on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a totally updated designer showcase condo with spectacular views. So let's take a tour.
This is a totally updated, mint-condition condo with million-dollar views. Featuring a great room with a designer kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops with a center island and breakfast bar, open to the living area with crown molding, all with beautiful new floors throughout and breathtaking views. This condo also features a full bathroom with a tile shower and laundry, great closet space, and a master bedroom. Just off the great room is this private balcony with stunning views of Bear Hill and gorgeous southern exposure. Perfect for enjoying morning coffee and relaxing afternoons in the shade. Enjoy the lake lifestyle. Bristol Harbor Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space, including a library, game room, and exercise room, all with adjacent tennis courts. Enjoy easy access to the private sand beach. Dock your boat at the harbor or even the available boat hoist. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbor features a golf course and is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 166 Cliffside Drive in Bristol Harbor on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!